If you need to fix a syncing issue, first verify that Dropbox is installed on all your devices and that you're online. Then make sure that your files aren't synced. If you see a file with a red X, then you'll know it's not synced. If you see a blue circular arrow, that means a file's in the process of syncing. A green check mark means a file's fully synced. If files aren't syncing in a shared folder, verify that you're a member of that folder. Then check to make sure you're signed into the same Dropbox account on all devices. On your computer, select the Dropbox icon in the system tray or menu bar and select the gear icon. Then choose Preferences and select Account. If you want to check on the Dropbox website, select your user avatar in the top right corner. On your phone, you can check by opening the Dropbox app and tapping Settings. Already did all that and still no luck? Then restart your computer. If it's still not syncing, quit the Dropbox desktop app and relaunch it. Still having trouble? You may be dealing with a less common problem. Contact Dropbox support if none of these methods work, and they can help you out.